never see so much hate, so little time to appreciate. See what it takes to go this far. I swear, homie, I'm up to par. These battle scars, I proved it. I'm ruthless, talk a few shit. No more cloudy days, heavy raining on me like gooey. I'm so sick, rolling with my team, got my whole clique. Me and King Blizz on the new shit. Pockets heavy deep, let's do this full spit. Ain't worried about shit, get off my dick like hold up, wait, hold up, wait. Told you snitches, I'm about my cake. Like so bitch. That's that opportunity. Everyone's what you get. Gotta keep your shoes laced up. Walk them miles a day. The clock's ticking, only have a few seconds left. Time's running out, ask yourself, where the hell do I go to next? That money, the fortune and fame, bitches are dollars you thinking you made. People look up to you, the ones that they fake. Fuck it, we all make mistakes. Finally see me running around in some brand new J's, speeding down the interstate. Stay the fuck out of my way. If y'all don't want a problem today, y'all wanna see like the way that I do. Fuck it, I live it, this life is so true. Couldn't even mess with me, you got no recipe, my shit's living proof. Now they see me, I'm on my move. Certified, did my thing. Limelight, I live the dream. Trying to be all I can do.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Lyfe Projects. Hope everybody's doing good, staying blessed. And yeah, today doing another video here of the PRL intake, which we're going to be installing in the 2021 Honda Civic Type R. So what we already did today, let me get this real quick, is we already installed the PRL filter into the actual airbox with the MAF sensor right here. So this has already been done. It's not too bad. It's just you have to line up everything, make sure all the bolts go in, make sure the filters there are secure. As you can see, it's pretty secure. I got my homie J Boost here is what they call him. He owns a 2005, right? 2004 Dodge SRT4, but it is fully boosted. So we'll talk about that on another video, but what we're going to be doing today is installing this intake, and we're going to go step-by-step instructions on how to do it. So this part is the first part. You put the filter into the air box, and then we obviously have to remove the stock intake and everything. So be with you guys here, and yeah, enjoy the video. Also, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. Alright guys, hold up.
I'll be chasing fame, so don't be wasting my time, nah.
Alright, so we got the stock airbox removed. It's over there, as you can see next to the PRL one. Yeah, Jay's pointing to it. So we got that removed. Hey Jay, can you give me a light, bro? So that's what it looks like, guys. Look, there's the intercooler piping. That is what, Jay, that's the hot pipe or is the cold pipe?
Probably the cold pipe. I think it's cold pipe.
Alright, y'all. So did that. I mean, honestly, this was a bitch to remove, right? So, anyways, get back to you guys in a sec. We're gonna put the intake together now.
Lately, I've been contemplating.
Alright, guys, we got that. Man, this right here, the grommet has to fit. Okay, then we have to get the bolt through the bracket, which is the last thing you do. And we're just tightening on the clamps right now. I did this whole grommet thing, you know, and see how the bolts are lined up right here. Last two bolts right there, and then like I said, that main big bolt back there. So you guys, I don't know about you, but this is one of the hardest intakes I've ever had to install, to be real with you. And I've done a lot of intakes. It's really just this grommet thing, right? Like getting it on the grommet down there.
That's ridiculous.
You guys can see all the way down there. See that silver bolt? Yeah. Getting the airbox on there, lining it up here, and then lining all the hose and connections up here. So, yeah. That's the bitch part about this, but damn, look at that blister up there. Woo. Yeah. Anyways, we'll do a test drive. I'll do a startup and everything like that test drive and show you guys how it sounds. I'm pretty tired. It's been like what, 2 hours, Jay?
Yeah.
2 hours 15 minutes. So yeah, it's taking a lot longer than we expected because of this and because of this. So fair warning for anybody who wants to PRL intake, make sure this is lined up first, right Jay?
Mm-hmm.
Then put the hose on and everything. You guys need to make sure the grommet is on first, period. At least for my 21 Civic Type R. So hold on guys. Go. All right, start it, Jay. Don't rev it yet, let it run. Yeah. Alright guys. PRL intake installed. 2 hours, 35 minutes exactly. Because we struggled down here on the grommet. Literally. That's where we struggled. The grommet is part of the clamp on the hose. So to line it all up, it has to be done exactly at the same time. No engine's a little bit loud, but yeah, we were getting mad, man. But alright Jay, rev it up. Do it like a 3,000 done. Like 2,500 extra. So what RPM was that? 3,000. Okay, so my bad, guys. 3,000 RPM. Do it one more time. Good. All right, guys. We're going to do the driver in just a moment. Alright guys, here is the second run. Did a first run last night. There were problems with after installing the intake, so we're doing the second run right now. And I'm going to start it up here. And I just want you guys to hear how it sounds now. No check engine lights anymore, nothing like that. So everything should be good right now. I just checked all the connections and everything again, so I don't know. We'll see how this goes. I have nothing on the dash at all anymore, but we're gonna do a quick run here. Get the shades on. Got the gloves, of course, obviously. And yeah, let's see how it sounds. This is the PRL intake install POV drive afterwards. Just gonna get out of the neighborhood real quick. Get out of the neighborhood, guys. Put the windows up real quick. Yeah, this is going to be a longer video for sure, because there was a lot that went into the installation, especially when checking like connections and everything. So I don't know, y'all. This thing was a little bit different for sure than any other intakes I installed in previous project cars. So this one was kind of a headache, I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you it was simple, because it wasn't. But I did it all. I got everything all ready to go, so there shouldn't be any issues. Almost on the road right now. Just waiting at this light. Hope everybody's doing good. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. Please like this video. Also hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. And we got more content on the way. Believe me when I say that. Everything is going to be just really full-fledged from here on out. And I'm really going to try to make this channel come alive. But yeah, you guys install the PRL intake, just understand that there's going to be issues, because the Type R is very sensitive when you remove the mass airflow sensor, when you remove the battery terminals, like the positive or the negative, you know. It just gives you like Christmas lights on your dash, is what most of the owners call it, Christmas lights on the dash. And that's what happened to me. Supposedly it's supposed to happen to everybody. I don't know if that's true, but all right, let me put the window down. You guys can hear it now. There's a lot of wind here, but it performs very good. There are no issues, nothing on my dash. Sounds great. It's nice and loud. I'm sure you guys can hear that. spot here. Much love and blessings. You guys always stay safe, stay blessed. And this is Lyfe Projects. Stay tuned for another video. Much love. Bye, guys.
Rise up, people, rise up. Gotta get it up and ballin', fuck ballin'. Come nights with the flow, all night sparking the globe. Tell them how we feel, this shit's so real. Everyone need to chill and just fly away until